Hey nail babes, welcome to Prep the Polish, where we love press on nails, and today I'm doing a Sephora haul. I've been wanting to do this for a while for you guys. I've been wanting to look at the press-ons that they have here, and I found them, but this is it. This is all they have. They really did not have a big selection. It was actually very small. They have Glamnetic. The nails, however, are absolutely adorable. They're very conservative. They range from $16 to $20, and most of them were short almonds. So I finally got to show you guys what Sephora has nail-wise. Now, I decided to show you some other things that I really like at Sephora, which some of those are eyelashes. I absolutely love eyelashes. I wear them, and Sephora is really good when it comes to eyelashes. They have lots of different styles, as you can see. And you just have to look here and they'll tell you exactly which style they have. I really like wispy, so I always check out the wispy lashes, and they're really affordable, and they just have so many lashes, and they'll apply lashes for you also. If you don't know how to apply lashes, they'll do it for you. You have to pay, of course, it's not free, but that's also really cool because I'm sure I know how to apply lashes. I've never had it done for me. I've taught myself. But maybe if you need a little help, they could teach you. So that's really cool. I like it. It's a nice little service they offer. So definitely check out their eyelashes. I also decided that I wanted to show you guys a little bit about perfumes. And I found this brand. I specifically looked for a brand that is kind of in the middle for pricing, affordability when it comes to perfumes. Now, I personally love to invest in a really nice perfume and make it my signature scent. So I do tend to buy the high-end perfumes and just wear them all the time. But if you like to switch around a lot, definitely check out this brand. This was Divine, this one scent right here. All of them were absolutely wonderful, but the brand overall had really nice smelling perfumes. Being in the 70s, that's kind of like median when it comes to perfumes. There were cheaper brands, but I just personally didn't like them, and I'm not going to show you guys something I don't like. I'm not going to promote that. So check out this brand when you come to Sephora. Thank you so much, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.